Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a layout share. So unfortunately I scrapbooked this page, I think it was about, let's see, what's today, August, so it was probably about a week or two ago. I think it was the middle of August, so probably, or July 15th or somewhere around there. I made a layout for the scrapbooking store using the June kit. The June kit was Echo Park's Let's Take the Trip. And the funny part of this being the June kit was that I was literally going on a trip to Mexico in July, at the beginning of July. And June was so busy because I got a new job and I lost my old job and so many things happened that I was not able to actually open this kit and even look at it until after my trip. So Ashley and I, my partner Ashley and I, got back from Mexico on, I believe it was the 12th of July. We left on the 5th, got back on the 12th, and the next week I had some time and I was so excited and I was able to make a layout. So I think first I'm going to show you the layout and then I'm going to kind of show you the papers and the brands and things that I used and the ephemera in my layout. So dun, 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 dun. Here is my beautiful 12 by 12 layout. Excuse me. So for this one, I kept it very, very simple. Obviously, if you cannot see, I started out with the 12 by 12 paper, and this one was called, hang on, I have it right here. This paper, the background paper, was called, sorry, Mailing Postcards. So that is the paper, the 12 by 12 paper that I used for the background. So that is this diagonal stripe, the red and blue, and then the little checkered background, just the white. So that was the 12 by 12 background. Then something really fun that I decided to do was to take part of this piece of paper. This one is called Road Trip Plates. And this one, I decided I first cut it up to be a mat for this smaller photo. And then I decided to cut off strips and then glue them down around the border. And I really, really love how that turned out. I think I might do that again, just a different way on another layout. But I really love how the background turned out. There are a few things that I grabbed from my stash, so I'll show you those real quick. These ephemera pieces came from, I believe it was from a scrapbooking store kit from last summer, but they were on this little sheet here. I don't still have the company name that made it or anything like that, but this is where that came from. And then also this blue piece up here came from this sheet as well. Then I have these two pieces which came from a kit also from the scrapbooking store. And I don't have the piece of paper that they came with, or the packaging that they came with either, so I apologize. Usually I'm really good about keeping the packaging so that I can tell you where I get things, but yeah, for this right now, I don't know what's going on. I don't have it with me. So that is where I got those two pieces. And then this is stash, this is stash. Also from my stash is the let's see, what was this? This was, I believe it was Maggie Holmes. Yeah, Maggie Holmes Color Shine in Peacock. So I really liked that blue, so I sprayed that, or I just did the little, what is that called? I don't even know. Dabbing? Splotting? My brain is not working today, obviously. It's Monday, it's fine. And then also from my stash, I brought in Tim Holtz Distressed Oxides in antique linen, and I just used one of these little blending brush thingies. I don't know what these are called. And I put that on the back there. This Adventure Awaits, that is my title, and that came in the ephemera pack that came with the kit. So in every scrapbooking store main kit, you will get just, I believe it's like 12 sheets of paper. It comes as a whole kit and a sticker set. Then there's what you call the upgrade kit, which is a little bit extra every month, and that in that kit usually comes a sticker sheet, an extra sticker sheet, and a couple of embellishment packs, or sometimes they include thickers. So for the month of June, they included these thickers called Celebrating Freedom, which I did not use on this layout. Then you also got the Let's Take the Trip titles and phrases from Echo Park ephemera pack, and from Hobby Lobby, the Paper Studio La Petite's dimensional stickers. And this one is a trip vacation based theme. It doesn't have a name. It just says Hobby Lobby, copyright 2022. So that's all. But I got the Adventure Awaits, and I'm gonna do some journaling right here. I just haven't done it yet. So I think I'll sit down right now and do the journaling, and I will post a picture at the end of this video so that you can see what it looks like after it's all done. But that is the layout that I made using the Let's Take a Trip kit from the scrapbooking store, which was the June kit. So I have been gone for the month of July and just really busy. I did not get a kit for the month of July, but I have been in contact with my design team coordinator, and they said my August kit is on the way. So if you're patient, I might have a kit reveal for August in the next week. So I hope that you guys are all doing great. I'm so glad to be back, and I'm hoping that I can fit more scrapbooking in, because I did kind of switch up my schedule with my new job. So I'm hoping I'll have more time for family and life that isn't just work. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great scrappy day. Bye.